Look at all this stuff, guys. Cool old junk. But this is the one I spotted. $5. The Plumb double bit. Hell yeah, I'm getting that. There's one of them corn grinder things. Look at that splitting maul. That's a big old honker. And then of course I got some chainsaws. The old Mcculloch. 32cc, $15. I had a gut full of them things. And this old David Bradley boat anchor, $45. I mean, I guess it's reasonable if you're into those. We'll leave them. Yeah, look at all this cool stuff. I better get out of here before I spend too much money.